So that turned out a lot differently than I thought it would, or that I planned it would, but I think it really makes my point. Hey adventurers, so I was gonna make an episode. I kind of had a plan. We were going out for a geocaching hike with some friends, and I had a plan. I was gonna do an episode. I was gonna talk about geocaching FOMO, or Geo-FOMO. You know, the fear of missing out, and you know, why we feel driven to get out with our friends and things like that. And well, life took an interesting turn of events that is really helping me understand this idea better than I thought it would. So I guess I'll be thankful for that as I sit here on the side of Forest Service Road by myself with the Jeep because of circumstances. Allow me to explain. So we had a plan for today, and the plan was we were heading up the Florence Lake Forest Service Road as a group, and we're gonna go do some geocaching hike, a nice big trail, lots of geocaches, lots of fun. We were gonna go do that together as a group of friends, and partway up, plans changed. So turns out I hit some sort of little pipe with my back wheel on the Jeep. I got a flat. Now, normally that would not stop the show. We'd replace the tire with the spare and get on with our day. But had a little bit of a nuance to this situation. See that little piece of metal right there? That completely changed my day. So normally we've got the locking mechanism for unlocking those wheel bolts in the Jeep. Turns out last time I had it in the dealership, when they asked me where I keep it to do some work on my wheels, turns out they didn't put it back. So I'm up the Florence Lake Forest Service Road without a wheel nut, up the road without a nut. So it's stuck up here. We're gonna have to get it towed back, and you know, that's my little bit of drama. But I got a couple hours now to be introspective and share with you guys about geocaching FOMO. Annoyed? Yeah, definitely. I was a little bit angry off the start, but pretty much just had to come to terms pretty quickly with the situation and just deal with it. So now I've got lots and lots of time to think about what I want to share with you guys, and put together some content that's a little bit different than what you might normally see from me. I wonder if there's any geocaches near here. Guess I should check on that since I got some time. Nope. Doesn't look like there's any caches anywhere around here. Oh well. So FOMO, or fear of missing out, and you know, specifically Geo-FOMO. It's like, you know, your friends are going geocaching, or you know, you have maybe an opportunity to go geocaching, but you may not be able to go for some reason. Either, you know, you got chores to do, you've got work to do, you've got some other obligation that comes up, and you're like, ah, man, they're gonna go, but I might not be able to go. And I'm afraid that I'm gonna miss out on something. And I guess really that's at the core of it, is that fear of not enjoying a moment with your friends, not enjoying a moment by yourself out doing something you really enjoy. So what I'm wondering is, can you take that fear and pivot it around and find a way to just make the most out of the moments you have instead? So here we are. Well, here I am. Thankfully you're with me right now. but rest of the team's gone up. They're gonna go enjoy their day, and that's good. I don't usually get downtime because I don't plan for downtime. It's just always go, go, go. So, you know, it's an opportunity to look at this situation as a gift. Instead of having Geo-FOMO, I can look at it like I've been given the gift of time to do something that I always mean to do, and I just never get the time to do, which is practice flying the drone, get a little better at something that I enjoy doing, but I always fight to find the time to do, because if we're out on a hike, it's kind of like, I gotta get the drone up, gotta take the shots, gotta get the drone away, we're on a hike here, I gotta keep moving. But now, I got a couple hours, no commitments, nothing to do but talk to you guys and practice the drone. So let's fly the drone then. So just a little bit of something I wanted to share with you guys. The video totally did not go the way I planned. And sometimes things not going the way you planned can be a gift. Just heard back from the tow company and they're really busy today. So another 3 hours on the side of the road until a tow truck is available. So I guess having looked and seeing that there's no geocaches anywhere nearby, maybe I'll go hide one.